Hello students, waving hand sign today, we will explore one of the most important concepts in calculus, derivatives. This video is interactive, so feel free to pause and ask your questions whenever something is unclear. Let's dive right in. The derivative measures how a function changes with its input. Formal definition: f dash of a equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Limit explanation: the limit describes behavior as h becomes very small, approaches 0. It finds the slope at a point. Geometrical interpretation: the derivative represents the slope of the tangent line to the curve at a point. 3. Physical interpretation: velocity is the derivative of displacement with respect to time. Acceleration is the derivative of velocity with respect to time. Example: let f(x) equal x squared. Then f prime of x equals limit as h approaches 0 of divided by h, which simplifies to divided by h and further simplifies to 2x. d by dx of x to the power n equals n times x to the power n minus 1. d by dx of sin x equals cos x. d by dx of cos x equals minus sin x. d by dx of tan x equals sec squared x. d by dx of cot x equals minus cosec squared x. d by dx of sec x equals sec x times tan x. d by dx of cosec x equals minus cosec x times cot x. d by dx of e to the x equals e to the x. d by dx of natural log x equals 1 by x. d by dx of a to the power x equals a to the power x times log a. d by dx of log base of x equals 1 by x times log a. Sum rule: if f(x) equals u x plus vx, then f prime of x equals u prime x plus v prime x. Example: f(x) equals x squared plus sin x, so f prime x equals 2x plus cos x. Product rule: if f(x) equals ux vx, then f prime of x equals u v prime plus u prime times v. Example: f(x) equals x sin x, so f prime of x equals x cos x plus sin x. Quotient rule: if f(x) equals ux divided by vx, then f prime of x equals vu prime minus uv prime divided by v squared. Example: f(x) equals x squared plus 1 divided by x plus 1, then f prime of x equals x squared plus 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 squared. Chain rule: if y equals f of gx, then dy by dx equals f prime of gx, g prime of x. Example: f(x) equals sin x squared, then f prime of x equals cosine x squared 2x. Derivatives represent the rate of change. From first principles, f prime of x equals limit as h approaches 0 of divided by h. No standard derivatives and use sum, product, quotient, and chain rules. That's all for today's class. Keep practicing these rules with different examples. If you have any questions, pause the video and ask now or drop them in the comments. See you in the next session. Jai Hind.